Tired of cluttered kitchens and messy spaces? I found genius Amazon products that will completely transform your home. From space-saving organizers to game-changing kitchen tools, these affordable finds will make your daily routine so much easier. Links to everything are down below. Let's dive in. Stainless steel deep fryer pot. Want perfect fried food every time? This Japanese-style tempura pot has a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control and a splash-proof lid that doubles as a draining rack. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, works on all cooktops, and cleans up fast, restaurant-quality results at home. Wall-mounted pot rack organizer. This heavy-duty metal rack holds up to 88 pounds of pots, pans, and cookware with 12 movable S-hooks. The 29.5-inch shelf mounts securely to wall studs, is rust-proof, and installs in just 10 minutes. Get your kitchen organized and spacious without losing counter or cabinet space. Adjustable pot and pan organizer rack. Stop digging through stacked cookware. This heavy-duty iron rack holds up to 8 adjustable tiers of pots, pans, lids, and baking sheets with anti-slip rubber dividers that prevent scratches. Assembles in 3 different ways without tools, fits cabinets or countertops, and keeps everything within easy reach. No more clutter, no more hassle. Clip-on silicone strainer. Tired of bulky colanders taking up cabinet space? This flexible silicone strainer clips onto any pot, pan, or bowl for instant draining. Compact, dishwasher safe, and saves you time and counter space every day. Expandable steamer basket. Want healthier meals that retain 90% more nutrients? This stainless steel steamer expands to fit any pot up to 9.2 inches and folds down for compact storage. The removable center post makes it easy to lift from boiling water without burning your fingers. Deep fryer with basket strainer. Craving restaurant-quality fried food at home? This 4.5-liter fryer cooks crispy fries, chicken, and more with adjustable temperature and a built-in timer. The removable oil container and stainless steel basket make cleanup a breeze, perfect fried food every time. Silicone spatula spoon. Need one tool that does it all? This multifunctional spatula lets you stir, fry, scoop, scrape, and serve with ease. Made from heat-resistant food-grade silicone with a wooden handle that won't melt, it's ergonomically designed to fit your hand perfectly and cleans up in seconds thanks to its non-stick surface. Extendable dish drying rack. Tired of water pooling on your counter? This rust-proof rack extends from 19 to 27 inches to fit any kitchen and drains water directly into your sink. Anti-slip silicone caps keep it steady and scratch-free, while separate compartments organize dishes, cups, and cutlery. Easy to install, clean, and keeps your counter clutter-free. Fan cover. Protect your fan from rust, weather, and damage with this heavy-duty Oxford fabric cover. Waterproof, dustproof, and sun-resistant with double stitching to prevent leaks. The back zipper keeps it secure even in strong winds, measuring 26 by 26 by 9 inches to fit most industrial fans perfectly. Foldable ironing board. Need a sturdy ironing board that saves space? This lightweight board features reinforced steel legs with non-slip clips for rock-solid stability and adjusts to 7 different heights from 27 to 35 inches. The heat-reflective cotton cover speeds up ironing, and the dedicated iron rest keeps you safe. Folds flat to fit anywhere, perfect for small spaces and flawless results. 1.6-gallon small trash bags. Perfect for small bins in your bathroom, bedroom, or office. Get 120 bags in 6 convenient rolls, ideal for home, car, pet waste, and more. Glass vase flower pot stand. Add style to any space with this retro glass terrarium set. 3 heat-resistant glass bulbs sit on a sturdy wooden stand, perfect for propagating plants, displaying flowers, or creating unique decor with colored water and stones. Elegant design fits any desk, windowsill, or shelf, makes a thoughtful gift for plant lovers and home decorators. Hanging closet organizer. Running out of closet space? This 6-shelf organizer maximizes vertical storage for sweaters, shoes, accessories, and more. Magnetic cable organizer clips. Tired of tangled cables falling off your desk? These magnetic clips hold charging cables, USB cords, and HDMI cables in place with a unique one-handed open and close design. Compact, reusable, and perfect for any space. Manual vegetable chopper. Chop veggies, herbs, and nuts into perfect uniform pieces in seconds. Just pump the comfortable handle and the sharp stainless steel blade rotates to do the work for you. The built-in catcher cup has measurement markings so you know exactly how much you've chopped. Perfect for salads, salsas, and sauces with minimal effort. Non-stick crepe pan. Love crepes, pancakes, or tortillas? This granite-coated pan is completely non-toxic, no PTFE, PFOA, or harmful chemicals. Works on any cooktop including induction, heats evenly with its cast aluminum body, and the stay-cool handle keeps you safe. Use less oil, clean up fast, and cook healthier meals every day. All strainer pot. Tired of wasting cooking oil? This 2-liter stainless steel pot filters out food particles with its ultra-fine mesh, so you can reuse all safely. Heat it directly on any stove, pour without drips, and store with the tight-fitting lid. Durable, rust-proof, and dishwasher safe, clean oil, zero waste. Portable laundry washboard. Perfect for hand washing delicates, underwear, socks, and kids' clothes without the hassle. Made from durable high-quality plastic with a gentle wavy surface that cleans effectively without hurting your hands. Includes a built-in soap rack, hangs on the wall to save space, and helps you save water and electricity while getting clothes spotless. Rice storage dispenser. Tired of messy rice bags and stale grains? This airtight container holds 25 pounds of rice or grains and keeps them fresh with an excellent seal. Just press the button to dispense the exact amount you need using the transparent measuring cup with built-in washing holes. Easy to clean, space-saving design, and perfect for organizing your kitchen pantry. Rolling egg dispenser organizer. Tired of wasted fridge space and broken eggs? This auto-rolling 2-tier organizer holds 12 eggs and keeps them fresh with a transparent protective cover. Eggs roll forward automatically so the oldest are always first, saving space and reducing waste. Made from durable materials, easy to refill and clean, perfect for an organized, efficient refrigerator. 5-tier rolling storage cart. Need more storage but short on space? This slim 5.7-inch cart fits anywhere and holds books, files, supplies, and more across 5 spacious shelves. 4 360-degree wheels with locks make it easy to roll and secure in place. Perfect for offices, classrooms, or home. Assembly is quick and easy. Rolling toothpaste squeezer. Tired of wasting toothpaste and creams? This durable ABS roller gets every last drop from any tube with just a simple twist. Easy to use, built to last, and saves you money by eliminating waste. Tired of messy pantries and hard-to-reach containers? This 6-piece set features crystal-clear BPA-free containers on a 360 degrees rotating tray for instant access to rice, cereal, flour, and more. One-handed dispensing makes meal prep a breeze. Rustic floating wall shelves. Need stylish storage for your bathroom or kitchen? These pine wood shelves feature a metal frame with protective guards and a built-in towel rack. Easy to install with included hardware. Silicone oil brush for cooking. Upgrade your grilling and baking with these heat-resistant silicone brushes. The 60-bristle design holds more sauce than regular brushes and won't shed into your food. Silicone soap dish case. Tired of soggy, melting soap? These flexible silicone dishes feature self-draining grooves that keep soap dry and extend its life. Anti-slip design prevents sliding, perfect for shower, kitchen, or countertop use. Sink caddy organizer. Tired of cluttered countertops around your sink? This compact stainless steel caddy holds detergent bottles, sponges, brushes, and towels all in one place. The rotatable spout drains water directly into the sink, keeping your counter dry. 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer. Tired of clogged drains and messy cleanup? This upgraded strainer filters food waste, stops water, and blocks odors in one click. Press the button to store water, press again to drain while catching scraps. Soap dispensing dish brush. Say goodbye to greasy sponges and messy soap bottles. This brush dispenses soap with one button push while durable nylon bristles scrub away baked-on food without scratching non-stick cookware. Stainless steel mesh strainer set. Need the perfect strainer for every kitchen task? This 3-piece set includes small, medium, and large sizes for sifting flour, draining pasta, steeping tea, and more. Stretch sofa slip cover. Want to refresh your sofa without buying new furniture? This soft, stretchy polyester spandex cover fits sofas with 60 to 81 inches of seating area and protects against stains and wear. USB rechargeable water bottle pump. Tired of lifting heavy water bottles? This electric pump dispenses water with a simple touch, no more tipping or straining. Made from safe, BPA-free materials with a food-grade silicone tube, the rechargeable battery lasts up to a month on one charge. Vegetable chopper. Tired of slow meal prep? This viral veggie chopper dices tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes, and more in seconds with rust-resistant stainless steel blades. Wall-mounted broom holder. This organizer holds 5 tools with 6 extra hooks, supporting up to 35 pounds per slot. Turn any messy space into organized storage instantly.